still coming down.
Heavy snow and strong winds are expected to impact travel on roads and trails in Oregon's Cascade Mountains from Thursday evening through Saturday afternoon. The heaviest snow is expected to fall in the southern Cascades, around Crater Lake National Park, but the northern and middle Cascades between Willamette Pass and Mount Hood will also be covered in lots of white snow. This series of storms begins a pattern that will likely bring snow and cold weather over the next week or two, with snow possible on the lowlands late next week. The authorities appeal to the entire public to remain alert and careful when carrying out outdoor activities, especially when driving. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced snowstorms over the last few days.
They coming down.
Snow in Arizona. I'm not lying to you guys.
A winter storm warning has been issued for the northern and central Cascade Mountains from Thursday evening through Saturday afternoon. 6 to 12 inches of snow is expected to fall above 3,000 feet during that time period, with more than 15 inches possible above 5,000 feet. This can make driving difficult on Cascade Mountain roads including Santiam Pass, Willamette Pass and the government camp area on Mount Hood. Winds can reach speeds of 40 miles per hour.
Wow.
See, we really do get snow in Arizona.